Wanted to show you guys how to wire a relay to your light. So here we have a custom dynamics light bar. I'm going to be installing this on my Sportster, and you can see it's already connected, negative to negative, positive to positive, and it's connected. So it's connected, and you're probably wondering why is the light not turning on, and that's what the relay does. So it acts as a switch, and it just gives you just a little bit more juice on where it's going. So the relay bypasses your ECU, ECM, your electronic computer unit ECU. That's what that stands for. And instead of having it wired through your harness, it's kind of like it's similar. It's wired to your ECU, but it's powered directly from the battery. So let's go ahead and grab our remote switch. We have the inline fuse. I don't have a fuse, so I just wired it directly through. It still works. That's the way it works. And here we have is a blue wire. This is connected also to the relay, and this is what activates the relay. And then let's go ahead and see what happens. See, it's powered. It's now on. We remove the remote wire, and the relay disengages, and your light turns off. So that's what that does. And you're wondering, like I said, do you need this? I don't think you need it for this light, but for your LP6, LP9, I believe you need it, mainly for the high beam. So like I said, instead of it being wired through your ECU, shorting out, because I mean, some of these lights are demanding when it comes to power. They require a lot of amps, and the amps from your stock wiring harness is not sufficient to power some of these lights. So this is why we use a relay, because it connects directly to your battery. But you could also connect your relay directly to your harness, and that's what activates your light. And you hear that sound? That is the relay. It's a little magnetic contact in there that connects and closes the circuit and then sends power to your light, and that's how you get light. All right, get out there and ride. Later.